Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to take screenshot in Excel. I will show you 3 different ways to take the screenshot in Excel. Method 1, using the print screen key. So let's start with the first method. First open your Excel file, then press the print screen key on your keyboard. Then open another program like the Paint or even a new Excel file. So here I'm going to open the Paint. So just click on search icon and you can search here the Paint. So here I just double click to open this Paint and here the Paint is open. Then press the Ctrl V to paste the screenshot. Okay. If you want to zoom out, just press the Ctrl key and you can just scroll the mouse key and you can see zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Okay. And if you want to crop this screenshot, simply drag and select the area those you want to crop. So I select here the area. Okay. Then go to the file tab in image group, click on the crop and that's it. So this is the way you can crop your screenshot also in Paint. After that, go to the file tab, click on the save and here you can see save as dialog box is open. Select the destination where you want to save this screenshot. And after that, select the file name. You can enter here the file name. So I just edit here the file name screenshot. Okay, the third file. Okay, so I'm going to save these in desktop and save as a file type. PNG is default selected. If you want to change the file type, just click on this drop down arrow. And here in other option also available JPG, GIF, okay, and so on. Just select here. I'm going to select here PNG and click on the save, and that's it. Your screenshot is saved in your desktop. Okay. So this is the first method. The method 2, using the Windows plus Shift plus S. So here I'm going to use the shortcut key to for the second method. Window key plus Shift plus S. Okay. And here you can see, you will see the some snip option appear at the top of your screen. Choose the rectangular snip. The first one is a rectangular snip. Okay, and drag to select the area you want to capture. So I just drag and select the area those I want to capture. Okay, once you take the snip, open the Paint. So you can open here the Paint and paste here Ctrl V, and that's it. Same as you just go to the file and click on the save and save your screenshot. Okay, this is the second method. The third method is using the camera tool in Excel. But by default, the camera option is not visible in the ribbon. So let's first add it. To add this camera, just go to the file tab, click on the move, click on the options. And here the Excel option dialog box is open. Then click on the customize ribbon and here the command sleeves and tablets. In command, just click on this drop down arrow, select the all commands. Okay, wait. And here all command is selected. Then select the any commands here and press the C. And just search here the camera. So here the camera command is found. Now I'm going to add this command in the tab. Okay. So select the tab where you want to add this command. So I select here the PND take. The custom command I would custom tab I already created here. So here I'm going to add this command in PND take. In custom tab, I already create this tab. Okay, now I'm going to add this camera in PND take tab in take one group. Okay, just click on this arrow. Okay, and click on that, and that's it. Here you can see the in PND take tab, the camera command is added. After that, click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see in PND take, the camera in take one group is added. Okay. Now select the area those you want to capture. Okay. You go to the PND take and click on the camera. Okay. Just click on it and select the cell where you want to paste this screenshot. I just select here and that's it. Just click on once click and here you can see your screenshot is pasted. Okay. And you can easily save this if you want to right click on the mouse and click on the save as pictures option. Okay, you can easily save this screenshot in PNG file type. Okay, I just picture one, and you can select the destination where you want to save and click on OK. That's it. Okay. And if you want to change in this data, and this is a picture, right? And if you change here, it's automatically change here also. Okay. If you want to check, you can check it. I show you. I show you. See, 3457.30 is total price, and first row 345730. Now I enter here double two. See here double two. In picture also, amount is automatically updated. Okay, in pictures. Okay, this is a picture format, right? This is a screenshot format. Okay, so this is a way, the three methods is you can use to take the screenshot in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.